Did you know that celeries can last in the freezer for up to 2 months? If so, let us show you how to freeze celery for later use with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Using a knife, trim the base of the stalks that might be hanging or discolored. Remove the celery leaves, then chop its stalks to your desired length. Bring water to a boil, then blanch the chopped celery for 3 minutes. After boiling, transfer to a bowl of cold water and let it sit for 3 minutes. Drain and dry the celery by patting with paper towels. Transfer to a tray and cover with cling film and let it sit in the freezer for at least a couple of hours. Transfer to a freezer-friendly container, making sure to squeeze the air out. For the leaves, roll them into a cylindrical shape and wrap with cling film. When you're ready to cook, simply remove them from the cling film. Keep in mind that freezing celery causes it to lose its natural crisp. But no worries, due to its versatility, you can still use frozen celery to make the tastiest dishes for your friends and family. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.